Very good, guys. Let's get some of this new chicken. Get a full bite of everything if I can. All right, put some of this honey vinaigrette on there. Oh yeah, that's the bite. This is the bite that I want to review. Let me get this without making a mess. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Delicious. This new vinaigrette, honey vinaigrette, on top of the chicken and the rest of it is fire. Ooh, and the spices hitting me. I don't know if the spice is in that. I think the spice is in the chicken itself. Let's get some chicken. See if that's where the spice is coming from.